Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your CSS variables from design tokens for branding, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what design tokens are. Design tokens are a way to manage design decisions consistently across your application. They are essentially variables that store design-related values such as colors, font sizes, and spacing. First, ensure you have your design tokens set up. Design tokens can be stored in various formats, such as JSON, YAML, or even JavaScript. Next, locate the design tokens file in your project. Open your design tokens file to review the variables defined. Identify the tokens that pertain to branding elements. These may include primary colors, secondary colors, font styles, and other relevant properties. Now, create a CSS file where you will define your CSS variables. In this CSS file, begin by declaring your variables using the root selector. Use the syntax variable name, value, for each design token you want to implement. For example, if your primary color token is defined in your design tokens file as #FF5733, you would write primary color, #FF5733. Repeat this process for all relevant tokens, ensuring consistency with variable names. Once your CSS variables are defined, you can apply them throughout your styles. Replace hard-coded values in your CSS with the corresponding CSS variables. For instance, if you previously used a hard-coded color, update that to var primary color. After updating your CSS, save your changes. To ensure everything is working as expected, open your browser. Refresh your web page to see the effects of your updated CSS variables. If you notice any discrepancies, double-check your variable names and values for accuracy. Document your changes for future reference. This will help you keep track of your design decisions and branding updates. By following these steps, you will have effectively updated your CSS variables from design tokens. This ensures a cohesive branding experience across your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.